Hey Brandy, I am just taking a look at your Tableau dashboards that you created for your exercise for LIS 688 this weekend, and noted that in your dashboard, everything is looks very nicely aligned, but all of the visuals are really collapsed, and I think we could make some adjustments so that your viewers can spend more time looking at the visuals instead of scrolling, etc. So I think that what I'm going to do differently is I noticed you chose tiled as the format, which makes everything nicely squared up. But if you choose floating, that gives you a little more flexibility. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I would do um, if I was creating this for my own work practice. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unhide the sheets that you created. I just am clicking, right clicking and saying unhide sheets. And now I'm going to go ahead and delete your dashboard. And the reason I'm doing that is because once you use a sheet in a dashboard, then you can't reuse it. So I'm just going to try to recreate what you did using the floating element. So I'm going to go ahead and delete your dashboard, which just leaves us with your 4 sheets again. And I'm going to create a new dashboard. And this time, rather than using tiled, I'm going to use floating. And floating requires a little more manipulation of, spacing and such, but it gives you complete flexibility. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull up checkouts by course. And it's really up to you, whatever way you want to arrange these things. But I'm just going to stretch it out to take up about 1/4 of the page. And then I am going to move your filters down here. I'm actually going to, put month first. It's up to you how you want to do it. Month and then course name. Just kind of eyeballing it a little bit. And then I think it's kind of implied that the darker numbers mean more records. So I'm actually going to delete this thing. So now we have course. Now let's put checkouts by titles up here next to it. Just going to spread this out a little bit. And your filters they always end up in funny places when you first bring them in. Oh, I'm going to delete that. I don't think we need it. So now we have month and title there. Just resizing this a little bit. That looks good. Now let's bring our checkouts by month to the lower left corner. Just spreading things out as wide and tall as I can reasonably fit. And then let's put day of the week in there right next to it. And then bring your filter over. So now you can actually enjoy a little more of the material in a spread out format, so more of the graphic shows rather than just your titles. I hope that helps. You don't need to redo anything for this exercise. I just wanted to be sure you had the tools moving forward. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.